Hi, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager at MarineMax in Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new listing of ours. This is a 2023 Scout 255 Dorado. You can see the boat's exterior is in the midnight blue hull color with a custom done white accent stripe. Really classic looking color, one of Scout's most popular color combos. We have this boat powered with the twin Mercury 200 V6 engines. Great performance on this boat, pushes it well over 50 miles an hour and planes very quickly. We've got the Aztec flooring on both sides of the swim platform with a swim ladder to starboard. And now we'll take you through the interior of the boat. So here in the cockpit on Scout's 255 Dorado, I've got all of the cockpit seats currently deployed. These do stow up really nicely if you want to open up this space more for fishing or you need more floor space for storage. You can see we've got a really large cockpit table here that does stow away in the floor in a hatch midship of the boat. Aztec faux teak top, so low maintenance top, but looks really sharp as well. This is the cayenne colored upholstery, really sharp, goes great with the midnight blue hull color. And I can easily stow both of those seats away. Gives me nice access to the boat's bilge area, where you have some good storage here as well. We keep a stern anchor here, but you can keep extra life jackets or anything that you want to keep back here. We do have a cockpit door on the starboard side that you can close and lock. Tackle storage beneath the starboard entry. We have deck drains on both sides with covered grates. Undergunnel rod storage along the starboard side, also great for a deck brush and a boat hook. Also have a large hardtop on this boat equipped with an aft sunshade. So this is a manual deploying shade that extends all the way back beyond the stern seat here. Gives great sun coverage for the cockpit. We've got a little wet bar prep area here, freshwater sink, cutting board, Corian countertop, solid surface countertop with cutlery storage here on this nice drawer. 35 quart Yeti on a slide out track is below. JL audio sound system throughout in the color matched Scout white, off-white, or cream color. This port side seat is powered, so with the push of a button, this seat here will extend out to create more of a lounger. And then you've also got storage beneath here that you can use like as like a cooler box. Coming further forward, port side observer seat has a double wide bolster with a fold down armrest. So really comfortable seat for two adults or a parent and a child to sit. Two cup holders right in front of you here. And then coming over to the helm, we do have a trash receptacle on board. And then another nice wide seat at the helm here, fold down armrest, adjustable bolster. Steering wheel is on a tilt base with a steering knob. Got a 10-inch Garmin screen next to a lockable glove box with charging ports. We've got switching here for lights and pumps and other accessories. Digital throttle and shift with those Mercury 200s, along with digital start and stops and active trim that's now standard. Our stereo, our Fusion Bluetooth head unit for the stereo. Again, JL speakers. Really nice storage on the starboard side console, in addition to the battery switches and just the back side of all of the boat's electronics. Fire extinguisher also mounts there. You can see I can close this block off door along with the windshield. So on colder running days, I can separate the bow from the cockpit. Nice head area on this boat with a porcelain toilet, freshwater sink, and a mirror. Really nice bow area on the 255 Dorado, really deep seating, so kids will feel nice and safe and secure. We do have an optional bow filler cushion currently on board this boat. This just removes and then folds up like a briefcase, so if you want to get it out of the way, you can easily do that. Again, armrests that fold down on both sides. Cup holders, a little recessed area with some non-skid for your phones or your sunscreen, lights, JL audio sound system up here as well. Stainless steel grab rails. We also have bow rod cup holders mounted up front. So they hold a rod, they hold a cup, they can also hold a bow sunshade kit that would go up to the hard top. Remote controlled windlass anchor. Has controls here on the foredeck in addition to what you have back at the helm. We also have a reboarding ladder off the bow in addition to what you have back at the stern. So that's a walkthrough of this 2023 Scout 255 Dorado we have listed available. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889 and always check us out online at MarineMax.com. Thanks for watching.